Everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing a grade 4 Q3 create figures with a given area. So if you guys don't know, area is these like squares. For example, if I shade in one square, that'll be one square unit. So it's like one part of the area. So this time we have to do 11. So 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, that's 10. And then 11. There. Now we shaded in 11 square units, which is 11 areas. And to be faster with this, each of these rows have 10. So you could do this, this, or this way. So 23. So we're gonna first do the 20. So we make 2 rows, and then 1, 2, 3, 23. Voila! Now we have to shade in 8 square units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Yeah. So basically, if you guys are good at, you guys memorize how to add all the way to 20, I think, you guys, if you could either do 8, you would quickly say to yourself, you would shade in all of the row, but leave out 2 spaces. So that would be 8. So let's try it with this. So 18. Okay, first we're going to have a full row of 10s. And then we're going to make another full row, but leave out 2. So that will be 18. There. Now 21. So we're going to fill out 2 full rows. And click once on any of the squares. Ta-da! Okay, 16. So we're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That way it's a little more difficult, so you could just do it in the rows. So 17, a full row. And then we're gonna do a full row, but leave out 3 squares. So 3 squares are not gonna be colored with purple. 19. Okay, so I'm pretty sure all of you know that if you do 19, there's gotta be only one left. So it's not really 2 full rows, but it's almost 2 full rows. Okay, 24. We're gonna shade in 2 rows of 10s. And then count 1. Okay, so basically, if it's 5 and under, you could count. But if it's 6 and up, 6 all the way to 9, you can just like leave out, the spaces, So we're gonna count 4. Shade in a rectangle with an area of 15 square units. Rectangle. So basically, we could just do this. And all of you know 3 times 5 is 15. And this is a rectangle if we do 3 rows of 5s. So that will be 15. So we're going to submit. Shade in a rectangle with an area of 20 square units. So of course, we're just going to do 2 full rows. Voila. Rectangle, I think you should always do it this way. And if you're just random square units, then you could do it like that. 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. So we're going to maybe try out 5 5s. Okay, that wouldn't work because it says rectangle, not square. So maybe if we had 6 on each, that would be 12 and 18. So we need about 7 more. No, that wouldn't work. Okay, what if we had 7? That would be 21 and a 4. I don't know if this is right though. Wait, what? Okay, I was right the first time at least. Rectangle with 14 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 6 things. Maybe if we do 2 7s. There. 21. That's 3 7s. So we're going to do 3 7s. And do you guys know how I knew that? Because first you think I'm 21 and you divide it by something. So if you divide 21 into 3, it is equal because 21 divided by 3 is 7 or 21 divided by 7 is 3. In this situation, we're going to use 21 divided by 3 and then that'll leave us 7. So we do 3 rows of 7s. Okay, 18 squares. That's 3 6s. So, of course, I use the same technique I used last time as well. And 24. Okay, 3 8s. Okay, then 16, so that would be, I think, 2 8s. $48. Let's see. 6 8s. Okay, shading a rectangle with an area of 30 squares. So that would be 3 10s. Obviously, that's like the easiest thing. Shading a rectangle with an area of 40 square units. That would obviously be 4 rows of 10s. Okay, 28 square units. So that, I'm going to think about that. Okay, 4 7s, so 4 rows of 7s. Last one. Shading a rectangle with an area of 49 square units. Oh, I know this. I think it's 7 times 7. So 7 rows of 7s. Voila. Okay, 81. That'll be 9 rows of 9s. There. Okay, 56. That would be, I think I know this. Oop, it's, 7 times 8. So 7 rows of 8s. There. Wait, what? Oh, whoops, I made a mistake. Anyways, I accidentally put 9 instead of 8, so oops. Okay, 42. That would be 3 7s. I mean, no, not 3 7s, but 6 7s. Okay, now 45. Sorry for the interruption. And 45. That would be 5 rows of 9s. So just gonna shade in this. Voila. 90. So we're gonna have 9 rows of 10s. Oh yeah. I accidentally shaded 9 instead of 10. So I know. So 32. Okay, that'll be 4 rows of 8s. Gotta get that number right this time. Okay. Okay, that would be 5 rows of 10s, which is 50 square units. 36 square units. Okay, so that would be 6 rows of 6s. Okay, 72 square units. That would be 8 rows of 9 or 9 rows of 8s. So I would do 9 rows of 8s just because, you know what I mean, you know. Okay, 9 rows of 8s. Okay, 80, that will be 8 rows of 10s or 10 rows of 8s. 54, so that would be 6 times 9. Yeah, 6 rows of 9s. 70, so that would be 7 rows of 10s. 60s, that would be 6 rows of 10s. And 63s, that would be I think it's 8 times 8. Sorry, 8 times 8. So 8 rows of 8s. Oh, so what is 6? Wait. What the heck? I'm gonna go on the calculator. $63 divided by 8. Okay, no, I mean, what's 8 times 8? Oh, it's 64. So then what is, wait, could it be 6 times 9? Okay, so 27. That'll be 3 rows of 9s. $39 square units. That will be 7 rows of 5s. 56. Okay, I know this, and it is 7 rows or 8 rows of 7s. Okay, 72. 9 rows of 8s. 64. Okay, I think I know this. I just gotta X out this. It's 8 rows of 8s. Okay, 54. That would be 6 times 9, so that would be 9 rows of 6 or 6 rows of 9s. 80 squares, 8 rows of 10s. 81, that'll be 9 rows of 9s. 99 rows of 10s. 100, that'll be the whole square filled. And 60 would be 6 rows of 10s. Amusing.